Friends, we all know that the President of the United States resides in the White House, which is considered one of the most secure buildings in the world. In today's video, I'll take you through some of the most amazing security features of the White House. So without further ado, let's get started. The White House is also equipped with a missile defense system, strategically placed so that it remains invisible to the naked eye when viewed from the outside. When this defense system was installed, the airspace around the White House was declared a no-fly zone. This missile defense system is so powerful that it can destroy incoming missiles, planes or drones in mid-air. Although the White House administration has never officially acknowledged its presence, its existence was confirmed in November 2019. A plane accidentally entered the no-fly zone, triggering a lockdown of the entire White House. During this time, a news reporter spotted the missile defense system on the roof and tweeted a picture of it. This led to public awareness that the White House possesses a military-grade missile defense system. If an unauthorized aircraft violates the no-fly zone and does not comply with warnings, the missile system is activated and destroys the target in the air. The White House has numerous rooms, and one common feature among them is the presence of window panels that allow natural light to enter. In total, there are 147 window panels in the building. While windows can be a potential security risk as snipers could target the president or their family members from outside, every window in the White House is made of bulletproof glass. Not just any bulletproof glass, but ballistic glass, known to be one of the strongest in the world. The existence of these glass panels came to light in October 2011 when a man named Oscar Ramiro fired 2 shots at the White House using a rifle. One of the bullets hit a window, but it did not penetrate the ballistic glass. While the White House administration has never disclosed the exact type of bulletproof glass used, experts believe it is even stronger than the most advanced ballistic glass available on the market. One of the most astonishing security features of the White House is its underground bunker and tunnel system, designed to withstand even nuclear attacks. This bunker was constructed during World War II and was most recently used in 2020 to protect then-President Donald Trump during the Black Lives Matter protests. For about an hour, the president was kept safe inside the bunker before being securely escorted out of Washington, D.C. You may have seen infrared sensors in movies, but they are a reality in the White House. These sensors are installed throughout the premises and are so sensitive that they can detect even the smallest movement, including that of small animals. If anyone tries to disable the sensors, an alarm is triggered immediately, alerting the security team. Since 1975, the White House has employed highly trained Belgian malinois dogs as part of its security team. These dogs are friendly with children but ruthless when it comes to intruders. They can chase suspects at speeds of up to 50 km/h and apprehend them until security personnel. In 2014, an intruder managed to jump over the White House fence. Since he was unarmed, security personnel decided not to shoot him but instead released the guard dogs. The dogs quickly subdued the intruder, allowing security forces to arrest him. One unique feature of these dogs is that they are equipped with bulletproof vests, just like police officers. To ensure the president's safety, every meal served to them is first tested by official food tasters. This precaution prevents any attempt to poison the president. The existence of food tasters became public knowledge in 2013. When former President Barack Obama declined to eat during a meeting with Republicans because his designated food taster was not present. Additionally, if the president orders food from an external source, the delivery is never made directly to the White House. Instead, it is sent to an alternate location, where it is tested before being brought to the president. These are just some of the incredible security measures that protect the White House and the President of the United States. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.